Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to set up finished item details in Logic ERP. To begin, navigate to the Setup module from the main menu and open Setup Other Item Details. Under this section, click to open the Setup Finished Item Details window. In the assembling process, defining finished item details is mandatory. First, select the finished item from the search list. Then, define the raw material items that will be assembled to create the finished product by entering the item name along with the required quantity. After entering all the details, save the changes. You can click on Finished Item History to view previously defined details. Additionally, finished item details can also be defined or imported through an external Excel file. Click on the External File option to import finished item details through an Excel sheet. Before importing, use the Help button to clearly understand which columns are required in the Excel file, ensuring the data is prepared in the correct format. After that, browse and select the Excel file. Choose the appropriate sheet and confirm that the header row is defined as 1. Once you click OK, the raw material details from the Excel sheet will be automatically imported. Click on Save to store the finished item details. You can review the imported data by selecting the finished good. Now, move to the assembling window and select the finished item. On the right-hand side, the grid will display the raw material details that were defined in the previous step. Assembling can be performed only if the required raw materials are available in stock. The quantity to be produced is defined as 1 by default. Next, select the issue to name and then save the document to complete the assembling process. To review the stock status, go to Stock Query Report. Select all the raw material items as well as the finished good and then click on Create Report. As you can see, the stock of each raw material has been reduced by 1 unit, while the stock of the finished good has increased by 1. The updated stock position is clearly visible in the closing stock.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.